wiki.ezyvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best windshield shades. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the BDK Auto will give your vehicle an instant boost of personality with 5 fun graphics to choose from, including dogs, a patriotic eagle, and a beautiful sunset. It does a good job of blocking out the sun, but the overall quality means it probably won't last long. It is simple to wipe clean and can be stored between seats. However, this one's not ideal for smaller cars. At number 9, the Motor Trend Jumbo features a stylish reversible design and a simple accordion shape that makes it a piece of cake for anybody to fold it up. It only comes in one size though, so be sure to measure your windshield to ensure a good fit. It closes with Velcro for storage and is available in 4 colors, but it is hard to fit over the rearview mirror. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Alpha Shades Premium is an economical choice when you need sun protection without a high price tag. The wire circular frames are not as big as some competitors though, which makes it a little flimsy and gives it an excess amount of fabric along the edges. It is very portable and easy to store, and it's backed by a satisfaction guarantee. However, it doesn't stay propped up well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezyvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Shade Pro Sunshield is a necessary accessory for the traveling salesman. The heavy-duty reflective material keeps your vehicle at a comfortable temperature as you go about your day, so it's not unbearable when it's time to hit the road again. It helps prevent upholstery from fading and fits most standard cars, but it is difficult to put back in the pouch. Moving up our list to number 6. The Big Ant Visor Shield works like a charm at keeping your car's interior from reaching excessive temperatures. It combines a double-layer bubble material with a reflective aluminum that deflects the sunlight well to keep your upholstery looking like new. It's simple for anyone to fold and available in silver or blue. However, the suction cups are unreliable. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you live in a sunny area, the X-Shade Jumbo is a must-have to help maintain your car's interior. It pops open in seconds with a twist and folds down just as quickly to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle. But make sure you measure your windshield before buying. It fits neatly in the provided pouch and can protect leather steering wheels, but the floppy corners let in some rays. At number 4, the exterior fitting mini factory protector offers relief from all weather conditions, no matter the time of year. In the winter, it eliminates the need to scrape off ice and snow, and also does a stellar job of reflecting the sun during hot summer months. It's a thick double-layer construction with side flaps that secure inside the doors. It repels water well too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Shaded Protector is a customer favorite thanks to its convenient user-friendly design that's both durable and dependable. It can block 99% of ultraviolet rays and is available in 3 different sizes to offer the perfect fit for your car or truck. It's lightweight and compact and made with silver-coated nylon with an elastic strap for a secure closure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezyvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ezyshade Universal comes with 2 matching rectangular shades for maximum coverage in virtually any vehicle. They cleverly overlap each other and can be installed vertically for taller windshields or horizontally in more compact cars. It also includes a bonus dashboard mat and instructions that are simple to follow. It's resistant to tears. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Road Charms Jumbo XL measures 70 inches wide for the ultimate protection in trucks, SUVs and large vans. Its dual 31-inch inserts are much larger than most standard pop-up shields and stay propped up until manually removed. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and is constructed of heavy-duty nylon. It's easy to fit around the mirror. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezyvid.com. Go there now and search for windshield shades, or simply click beneath this video.